Well, we kind of postponed our original feature that Jeff had made,
right.
but we're going to do it now, and it's called Highway Stripes.
Highway Stripes, yeah.
Well, I like that. And this is a different kind of highway stripes that we're not familiar with.
Well, this is international. Because I'm the international correspondent, I picked this up on the Internet. Basically, this looks like Tron.
It does look like Tron.
Tron the show. There you go. So what happened is the Australian government is rolling out a $245 million road safety program, which includes some innovation, new technologies, just to keep drivers safe, and cyclists and pedestrians as well. The most interesting aspect of the program is the implementation of photoluminescent road markings that glow in the dark. Just like the plastic stars, Conrad, that you used to put up on the ceiling of your bedroom as a kid.
I still do.
The lines of the road appear normal in the daytime, but once the night falls, they're as bright as the stars. According to the state of Victoria, which is a state in Australia, the innovation will help give motorists a stronger definition coming into the intersections, curves. It will greatly improve reaction time to the road conditions ahead. A Victorian company called Tarmac Line Marking shared images of the trial run of the glow-in-the-dark road markings, which are impressive. Even in complete darkness, the lines on the road are clearly visible thanks to the application of the special finish, Mike. And you're asking yourself, what is that?
What is that, Jeff?
Research has developed a soy-based luminescent sealant for the use on concrete surfaces. The luminescent sealant is a mixture of soy methyl ester polystyrene and strontium aluminate, which is a phosphorescent powder that slowly illuminates after being excited by light. The luminescent sealant is excited when a constant matter of a xenon lighting system that stimulated sunlight in the luminescence of the excited concrete surface.
Oh, my
See,
God.
and all that, and I thought all they did was ground up a bunch of lightning bugs. You know, when you smear one in your hand.
The results of the test indicated that the luminescent surfaces glowed 24 hours in the dark because it was excited. Now, I think this is a great idea. The tarmac lighting people say the new technology would be outstanding product for pedestrians, bike lanes, roads, boat ramps, which is important.
Airports.
In addition, the photoluminescent road lines, the government will also be implementing LED lit pavement near intersections and other more reflective road markings. And the reason for this is your headlights only go so far in front of your car. And they're concerned about intersections and dark areas that go on. So this is actually a very, very good idea. And if you can watch this later on, there's things for tracks and walkways and parks and things. The phosphorescent paint is also seen as a way to reduce light pollution. And one of the main causes of that is lights. The road lights.
Do they say anything about using it in fog? It was really foggy this morning. Caught me by surprise.
Well, it's whatever the light.
Whatever light you got.
Right. It'll illuminate or luminescence sometimes in the dark, but not bright, not like you're going to see it.
Yeah, but I can see where even if you had a little light, I'm thinking about going through the fog, that you might you can benefit from that.
Well, this actually was done in 2016 in the Netherlands, and they had problems because they put it on the lanes, on the roads, not very far, probably about half a mile to a mile. People were actually turning off their lights in their car and using it.
Well, that is the Netherlands. You know, their coffee shops are a little weird too.
They were getting in a lot of problems.
Hey, I want to remind everybody that we'd love to hear from you. Just shoot us an email. Our address here is info@inwheeltime.com. Time now for